So ganito ang gagawin ko. Gagawa na lang ako ng video presentation natin doon sa mga lecture natin na i-discuss para mapanood nyo at masundan nyo. So pwede nyo pang i-play yun paulit-ulit para masundan nyo. Just in case na meron tayong time na pwedeng kayong magtanong, so itanong nyo na lang sa akin kung alin yung part dun sa video na diniscuss ko ang hindi nyo naintindihan. Okay lang ba yon? So gagawa ako nung mga susunod na mga topic natin na di-discuss. Although mas malaki lang ang nakakain na memory kasi katulad ng in-upload ko kanina, umabot ng 700, I think 746 MB. So, malaki. So, yun, at least naman napapanood nyo pa ulit-ulit. So, that was the topic na diniscuss ko last time na kung saan humingi ako sa inyo ng nasagutan ninyo yung binigay kong activity, di ba? Ayun. Okay. So ganito na lang, titingnan ko naman doon sa photo natin sa screenshot ko nandoon siya. So kung nandoon siya, magpa-plus tayo ng 10 sa kanya. Ngayon, o kaya, anong pangalan niya? Okay. So lalagyan ko na dito Charlene na Magna. Ayun. La Magna Charlene. So lalagyan ko na plus 10 doon sa O yan, meron na yan. Okay guys, ayan. So nakita nyo, dito kayo, nabasa kasi ito kaya pangit. Ayan So ayan, may plus 10 ako nilagay sa kanya. Okay? So, ngayon, dahil yung mga klase nyo, hindi, bali ano kayo ngayon? 6 lang. So, dahil 10 lang naman kayo, kaya lang nabawasan na ng isa, so bali siyam. So dalawa ay bali may 3 pang, naging naging 5 na lang kayo. So nawala yung isa. Hindi ata makapasok to. Mahina yung nila, internet. Okay. So yun, bali, magdi-discuss tayo. Wala na ba kayong pasok after 1 o'clock onwards? Hello? Cancel? Bakit? Okay, tingnan ko kung makaano tayo dito. I-ano lang natin, sandali. Okay. So ito yung topic na i-discuss natin. Supposed to be take kung may re-record ko to. Okay. Nagre-read pa siya. Okay, tapos na tayo dito. Ito yung binigay ko sa inyong video. Then, ito yung exercise ng implicit differentiation. I think na-submit ko na ata ito sa inyo. Ito yung gagawin nyo. Find the slope of the curve. So anyway, ano ko na lang yan. Ayusin ko yan. Okay. Then, dito na tayo, differentiation of chain rule, inverse, and parametric functions. Okay. Okay, so okay. Ano ko lang yung burahin ko lang yung sa board. Okay, nakita nyo na, nandiyan na naka-ano na siya, di ba? Okay, so ngayon ito ang pag-aaralan natin. So i-record ko lang para at least yung ibang mga klaseng nyo ay na hindi naka-attend ay pwede nilang panoorin ito. Okay ba sa inyo, Mr. Corey? Okay, sige. I-record ko lang to.
Recording in progress.
Ano ba ang recording? Okay, so good day to everyone. So this time we will be able to discuss 2.5 differentiation of chain rule, inverse, and parametric functions. So what is chain rule? If y is a differentiable function of u defined by y equals function of u, and u is a differentiable function of x defined by u equals this of x, then y is a differentiable function of x. Or equivalently, if y equals function of u and u equals this of x, then the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to the product of the derivative of y with respect to u and the derivative of u with respect to x. That is, this is the formula. dy over dx is equal to dy over du multiplied by du over dx. So this is our formula, okay? You have to take note of this. dy over dx is equal to dy over du multiplied by du all over dx, okay? So that is our chain rule. Now, how about inverse function rule? Okay, if x is a differentiable function of y given by x equals function of y, then its inverse function given by y equals function of x, where y is differentiable function of x. Or equivalently, if x equals function of y, then the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to the inverse or reciprocal of derivative of x with respect to y. That is, okay, so I will have to, okay, this is now the formula. Derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 1 divided by derivative of x with respect to y, where dx over dy is not equal to 0. So this is the inverse rule. Okay, ito yung formula ng inverse rule. Now, how about the parametric function rule? If y is a differentiable function of u defined by y is equal to function of u, and x is a differentiable function of u defined by x equals this of u, or both x and y are differentiable function of u and u, then y is a differentiable function of x. Or equivalently, if y equals function of u and x equals this of u, then the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to the quotient of the derivative of y with respect to u and the derivative of x with respect to u. So that is, this is now the formula for parametric function rule. dy over dx is equal to dy over du divided by dx over du, where dx over du is not equal to 0. So tandaan lang, ito yung formula natin ng parametric function rule. Okay? Now, let's have example here. Okay? So, examples number 1, find dy over dx of the following function. So, hindi natin alam to kung ano. So, let us now first examine our example number 1. So, ang gagawin ko lang dito, litratuhan ko muna siya para hindi tayo paulit-ulit. Okay? So, yan. Okay? Yan. Okay. Photo. Okay. So, babalik na tayo. Pwede nyo screenshot muna yan para meron kayong susundan. Okay? So, babalik muna tayo. Stop ko muna yan. Punta tayo doon sa ano natin, sa recording natin. Okay? So, at teka, dali ha, meron lang i-ano ko muna siya. I-post ko muna siya.
Recording
Okay.
stopped.
Pause muna natin ang record, then babalik tayo ulit. Dali. I-ano ko lang ito. Ika, paano pala ito? Paano pala ito? Ito, halimbawa, yan. Gusto kong malaki para nakikita doon sa ano. Okay. Tapos, right click. Ayan. Okay, so very good. Okay. So this time guys, mag-start na tayo doon sa ano natin, sa equation natin. Okay? So kukunin ko lang yung photo niya. Ayun. Okay, so isusulat ko yung number 1. Abay. Abay. Ay, so, siya lang ano, siya lang magtuturo. Find dy over dx
Go.
of the following
Don't do
function.
now.
Oh. Siya kasi ang nakikita dyan.
Water.
Ayan. Alis ka na dyan. Okay. So, we have to- okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, bakit? Oh, yeah, please stay there. Okay. Very curious. Very curious. Okay, now this time, guys, we will be able to discuss now. Okay, so iano ko lang, start ko ulit yung ano
Recording in
natin,
progress.
recording. Okay, this time, guys, I will have to read this one. Okay. Examples, number 1, find dy over dx of the following function. So number 1, we have y equals 2u squared plus 3u. And then we have u equals 3x plus 5. So ang unang gagawin natin, i-derivative natin ang y with respect to u. I-derivative naman natin ang u with respect to x. Okay? So here, ang solution natin ay ganito. So, derivative of y, kasi y, with respect to u. Kasi ang variable dito u. Yan. So, ang sagot natin ay equal to 4u. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. Then u, bawas ang isa, so magiging 1 na lang, plus 3. So, yun ang equivalent niya. How about the others? Yung sa kabila. Ito, du. du, derivative natin ang u with respect to x. Yan. Kasi ang variable lang naman niya dito, x. So, ang gagawin natin, derivative of 3x is equal to 3. Derivative of the constant is equal to 5. Okay? So, the derivative of 5 is equal to 0. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, pagkakaroon lang tayo ng dy over dx. That is equal to, okay, dy divided by du multiplied by du over dx. So, ito yung formula natin. Okay, yan yung formula sa chain rule. Okay, formula for chain rule. Okay. So, ang gagawin lang natin, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga value na yon, yung dy over du at saka du over dx. Kasi may mga value naman tayo dyan. So, ilalagay na natin dito, dy over dx equals. Anong value natin ng dy over du? Ang sagot natin ay 4u plus 3. Then, i-multiply natin ang du over dx. Ang du over dx equals 3. So, ang magiging sagot natin ngayon ay magiging dy over dx equals 12u. So, i-multiply lang natin, distribute, plus 9. Ngunit, ano ang value ng u? Papalitan natin yung value ng u. So, magiging dy over dx equals 12. Ano yung value natin na u? 3x plus 5. Okay? Then plus 9. So, simplify na natin. Dy over dx equals 12 times 3, 36. X, 12 times 5 plus 60. Plus 9. So, ang final answer natin, dy over dx equals 36x plus 69. So, this is now the answer. Okay? So, nakita nyo na yung answer niya. Ayan siya. Yan yung process ng solution natin. Okay? Any question now? Dali, ano ko lang to. Yung U natin ay hindi makita. Okay? Ang U natin is not visible na. Okay. Ay, hindi lalo. Okay, so if I have to do it here and then there, so, kita ba? O, pwede natin gawin ganito. Yan. Okay? So, kita? Okay. Now, punta tayo sa number 2. Problem. So, this is number 2. Okay. So, number 2, the problem is, okay, we have y equals 2 square root of u. And the value of u is equal to 2 square root of x. So, yung mga ganitong value o mga ganitong equation na mayroong y tapos may u tapos may value na naman ng u, ganon. Katulad nito, y may ano siya, bali ang function niya ay function ng u, then u function ng x. Yan ay tinatawag natin na chain rule, kagad ang application na gagamitin natin dyan. Okay? So, ipulong ko lang yung ano, yung board para maisulat ko maigi. Mamaya, kung hindi natin makita, so i-move ko lang konti yung board kasi natatamaan ng shadow ng ilaw. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, solution muna natin, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. So, our solution would be, okay, start tayo dito. Lagay natin dy over dx. O pwede natin muna isulat y is equal to 2, then u raised to 1/2. Convert natin sa exponent. The same with this one, lagay natin u equals 2, then x raised to 1/2. Yan. So, saka tayo magkakaroon ng derivative. Derivative natin ng y with respect to the variable u. So, dy over du equals, okay, 2. Ito muna, 2 times 1/2. Then, u. Yung 1/2, bawasan natin ng 1, so magiging negative 1/2. Ayan. Okay? Then, sumunod, ito naman yung isang kukunin natin. Okay? So, the other one, may papasok ba? Dali. View. Ayan. So, admit ko na. Okay. So, na-admit na. Yan, nag-join na sila. Okay. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin dito, ito naman, derivative natin ng u with respect to the variable x. Du over dx equals, again, 2 times 1/2. Then, x 1/2 minus 1, so negative 1/2. Ayan. So, kung kukunin na natin yung pinaka-simplify value niya, dy over du equals, pagka-cancel itong 2, so magiging u raised to negative 1/2. And then, yung isa naman, du over dx ay magiging x raised to negative 1/2. Okay? Kasi cancel yung 2 at 8. Yan. So, ngayon, ang gagawin na natin, ipapasok na natin yung mga value na yan. So, start again. Pagpunta tayo dito, gamitin natin yung formula na to. Okay? So, therefore, we have dy over dx. So, start tayo. dy over du. Ang dy over du natin is u raised to negative 1/2. Then, multiplied natin ng du over dx. Ang sagot natin ay x raised to negative 1/2. Okay. So, simplify natin yan. Magiging ganito na siya. dy over dx equals u, or rather 1 over u raised to 1/2 times x raised to 1/2. Ginawa natin positive yung value. Okay. So, kaya lang, meron tayong u. So, kailangan palitan natin itong si u. Anong value yun nakalagay? So, therefore, dy over dx equals 1 over, okay, yung u natin, papalitan natin, magiging 2x raised to 1/2, then multiplied by x raised to 1/2. Okay, so ang sagot natin ngayon, dy over dx equals 1 over 2, x raised to 1/2 times x raised to 1/2 equals x. So ito yung sagot natin. 1 over 2x. Okay? So, yan. Is copy. Okay na? Sige, copy muna. I-ano ko lang muna itong admit yung iba. Okay, so, i-ano ko lang, i-post ko muna ang recording.
Recording stopped.
Okay. So, okay na? So, okay na siya. So, papunta na tayo sa sunod na screen. Okay? So, ang susunod natin ay yung inverse function. Tandaan nyo ang formula ng inverse function ay yon, dy over dx is equal to 1 over dx divided by y. Binaliktad mo lang siya. Okay? So, ganun ang ano natin. So, tandaan nyo, dy over dx is equal to 1 over dx divided by dy. Okay, so punta na tayo sa example number 3. Okay, example number 3. So, yun yung example natin. Ito yun, yung x is equal to 5, y to the 5th minus 4y to the 4th plus 2, y squared plus 7. So, anong napapansin nyo dito? Sa example na to, usually, dapat ang ano natin nag-start sa y. Pero, ang variable niya sa kanan ay puro y, hindi x. Normally, yung sinosolve natin x, diba? So, ito ay tinatawag natin na inverse function rule. So, tandaan nyo ha, hindi y ang nakalagay, kundi x equals. So, ganun ang ano niya. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, ito pala yung 1, yung 3 at saka 4. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, isosolve natin using inverse function rule. Okay? So, stop ko na itong sharing buburahin ko na itong ano, itong sinulat ko sa board. Okay? So, punta tayo dito sa number 3. Okay, for number 3, i-propose ko na again, i-record ko ulit. So, start resume sa
Recording in
recording.
progress.
Okay, so for number 3, I will have to write the question. So number 3, that is, okay, we have x equals 5y to the 5th. Then minus 4y to the 4th. Then plus 2y squared plus 7. Okay. Now, again, ulitin ko ulit, how do we know that this one is no longer chain rule? Hindi siya chain rule kasi sa chain rule, mayroon tayong dalawang equation. Itong equation na to at equation na yan. Dito hindi. So, titingnan lang natin, usually kapag ang equation natin ay nag-umpisa sa y equals 5x to the 5th and so on, hindi yan tinatawag natin na inverse function rule. Pag binaliktad, ginawa ng x equals, ang nakalagay na dito ay puro y. Kasi kapag i-derivative natin yan, magkakaroon tayo ng implicit differentiation. So ito, ang gamit niyan ay inverse function rule. Okay, solution natin. Okay, this is an inverse function rule. Okay. Now, gagawin muna natin, i-derivative natin muna. So, we have dx with respect to y. Okay? Kasi y ang variable dito. That is equal to 5 times 5, 25. Then y to the 4th, bawas sa isang power. Minus 16 y cubed plus 4y. Then 0 na yung derivative ng constant. So, for inverse function rule, formula for inverse function rule. Bali, magkakaroon tayo dito ng dy over dx equals 1 over dx over dy. Okay? So, ito yung formula natin. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-substitute yung value. So, dy over dx equals 1. Ano ang value natin ng dx over dy? Yun, nakalagay 25 y to the 4th minus 16x y cubed plus 4y. Ayan. So this is the answer. Okay? So, naintindihan ba guys? Okay. Now, kung naintindihan na sink in na sa inyo, okay, so we will proceed with example number 4. Okay? So, ilalagay ko lang ito, number 4. Okay, burahin ko na lang itong isa. So, dito. Para isang solution ng problem number 3, isang solution ng problem number 4. Okay. So, kunin natin muna yung problem number 4. Sulat natin. Okay, ano ba ang nakalagay sa problem number 4? Itong nakalagay. X equals 3y minus 5 all over 4y plus 5. Ay, minus 1 pala yun. Enclosed quantity raised to 5. Okay? So, ayan ang nakalagay sa problem natin number 4. Again, hindi rin siya y. Pero dito sa loob ay y. So, sa makatuwid nasa inverse function rule. So, ang gagawin natin, i-derivative natin siya. So, this one, bali, pwede nating dx. Solution. Okay? So, ilagay natin derivative of x with respect to y. dx over dy equals derivative nito. So, gagamit tayo ng power rule. Okay, that is 5. Ito yung power multiplied by the numerical coefficient nito 1. 5 times 1, 5. Then, i-close ulit natin. 3y minus 1 all over 4y plus 5. Babawas tayo ng power na ito na isa, so magiging 4 na lang. Then, i-derivative natin yung quotient dito. 3y minus 1 over 4y plus 5. So, paano natin i-derivative? Okay. So, ilagay ko lang dito, recall. Okay, recall. Derivative of u over v equals v derivative of u minus u derivatives of v all over v squared. Yan. So, ano ang u natin? Sulat muna natin. Ano yung u natin? Let u equals 3y minus 1. Derivative of u is equal to 3. Okay? Now, sumunod, dito naman. Let v equals 4y plus 5. Derivative of v equals 4. Yan. Okay. While v square, okay, v square is equal to 4y plus 5 square. Yan. So, isa-substitute lang natin. Okay. So, start natin ang formula dyan. So, lagyan natin ang ano. Okay? What is our v? Ang v natin is equal to 4y plus 5. Okay? Then, ano yung vu natin? Ang vu natin ay 3. Then, minus u. Ang u natin ay 3y minus 1. Multiplied natin ang v, dv. Ang dv natin ay 4. Then, over v squared. That is 4y plus 5 squared. Yan. So, simplify na natin ngayon. So, this is now equal to 5. Then, 3y minus 1 over 4y plus 5 raised to 4. Simplify natin ito. 4y times 3, 12y. 5 times 3, 15. Then, negative 3y times 4, negative 12y. Then, negative times negative positive 1. Positive 1 times 4 plus 4. All over 4y plus 5 enclosed quantity squared. So dito, makikita natin may mga cancel na tayo. Alin ang mga cancel natin? Itong 12y saka 12y. So, magiging 15 plus 4, 9 na siya. So, 9 times Ito, pwede mag-multiply. 9 times 5. Anong sagot? So, ilalagay na natin dito na 5 times 9. Okay? So, sa times 15 pala, it's not 9. 15 plus 4 is 19. Hindi 9. So, 5 times 19. Then, mayroon tayong, ito, multiplied by 3y minus 1 raised to 4 all over, ito naman, bali 4y plus 5. Okay. Ang power niya ay 4. Ang power nito ay 2. So, magiging 6. Ayan. Okay. So, sa makatuwid, ang gagawin natin, i-multiply lang natin. 5 times 19, anong sagot? 5 times 19. Ang sagot niya ay 95. So, ilalagay na natin doon 95. Okay? So, it is now equal to 95 times 3y minus 1 raised to 4 divided by 4y plus 5 raised to 6. So, ito yung value natin ng dx over dy. Ngayon, kukunin na natin ang sagot. So, therefore, dy over dx equals 1 over the value of dx over dy. So, gagamit tayo ng formula na to. Ang sagot niya ay 95. Then 3y minus 1 raised to 4 all over 4y plus 5 raised to 6. So, isimplify natin yan. Ang sagot ngayon natin ay ito. Dahil ito tataas siya. So, magiging 1 times 4y plus 5 raised to 6. So, magiging 4y plus 5 raised to 6 divided by 95 times 3y minus 1 raised to 4. So, ito yung sagot natin. Okay, so ayan yung answer natin, guys. Okay, nasundan ba? So, pagka muna. Okay, copy muna. Sige. Post ko muna ang recording.
Recording stopped.
So, nasundan ba? So, kopyahin muna. Then, we will have to proceed. Example number 5. Okay na ba? Hello? Mr. Cory, okay na ba? Hello, Mr. Cory? Okay, so mamaya mag-screenshot tayo sa inyo, ha? Okay. Kasi ito yung video na to, i-upload ko rin sa inyo para meron kayong pwede nyo mapanood ulit. Naglalagay lang ako ng ink, naubusan ay gabi. Okay. So, punta tayo ngayon doon sa susunod natin na formula. Sa parametric function rule. Okay? So, balikan natin yung screen share screen natin sa parametric function rule. So, ano ba yung parametric function rule? Ito siya. So, yan, balikan lang natin. Okay, paano natin babalikan to? So, sundan lang natin yung naka-upload. Then, this one, hanapin natin. Okay, ito malapit na siya. So, tapos na tayo sa inverse function rule. So, pupunta na tayo sa parametric function rule. Ang formula niya ay ito, dy over dx is equal to dy over du divided by dx over du. Okay? So, tandaan nyo, dy over dx is equal to dy over du divided by dx over du. Yun yung value niya, yun yung formula ng parametric function rule. Okay. So, ito yung ano natin, ito yung ang ano natin, ang number 5, sasagutan natin yan. And then, tsaka number 6. Yan yung parametric function rule. Again, so, start tayo dito. I-stop ko na to, sasagutan na burahin ko muna yan. Burahin ko muna to para isulat natin yung example number 5. Okay. Sa example number 5, ito yung nakalagay sa example natin. Okay. Sulat ko lang. Okay, number 5, ito. X equals 3 plus 2t squared. Then y equals 3t minus 7. Ayan. Okay. So, again, balik tayo sa
Recording in
natin.
progress.
Okay, so this time guys, mayroon tayong example, x equals 3 plus 2t squared, then y equals 3t minus 7. Ito ay parametric function rule dahil ang variable na ginagamit natin dito ay t. So kapag mayroon kayo nakitang variable na t, na dalawang equation, ibig sabihin parametric function rule. Samantalang kung ang variable ay u, tapos dito ay x, magkaiba, u at saka x sa kabila, so ito naman ay chain rule. Okay? So, yun lang ang tatandaan natin. Okay? Now, paano natin gagamitin? Okay, solusyon natin. So, una natin ito. Unang-una, okay, this is parametric function rule. Okay. Now, derivative natin yung x with respect to t. dx over dt equals, okay? Ang sagot natin dito ay 4t. Kasi, derivative of a constant is equal to 0. On the other hand, we have dy over dt. That is equal to 3. Yun yung value niya. So, apply natin ngayon ang parametric rule. Okay? Use ang formula natin for parametric. For parametric function. Rule. Anong nakalagay doon? dy over dx equals dy over du divided by dx over du. So, ito yung formula ng parametric function rule natin. Now, implies that wala kasi tayong x, t ang nakalagay. So, ilalagay natin dito, mayroon tayong y. So, ilalagay natin dy over dt equals, okay? Ilalagay natin dito, dy over, okay? So, as you can see, ano yung du natin? Okay, so makikita natin ay dy over dt, then dx over dt. Okay? So, isa-substitute lang natin sa formula na yan. Okay, ito yun. So, isulat na natin dy over dt. Or rather, dy over dx. Sorry. Dt. dx equals dy over dt. Ang sagot natin ay 3 divided by dx over dt. Ang sagot natin ay 40. Okay? So, yun na yung sagot natin. Dy over dx is equal to 3 over 40. But, okay, ano ang value natin ng t? Okay. So, anyway, pwedeng kaya lang magiging quadratic na ang lalabas doon. Okay? Kasi ang nakalagay dito na t, ito. Okay? But t, okay, tingnan niyo yung may x, no? Magiging 3, or rather x minus 3, then divided by 2 square root. Okay, yung value ng t. Or we can rewrite this one as equal to x minus 3 all over 2 raised to 1/2. Okay, now this time, this is now dy over dt, or rather dx, equals 3 over 4. O, alis yan. Hindi makikita. Then multiplied by x minus 3 over 2 raised to 1/2. Okay? So, this one. Okay? Ayan, alis ka dyan. Okay? Hindi pwede yan, hindi nakikita nila yung nakapulad dyan. Okay? So, this is for you. Come here. Oh. No. You are not going to see there. Okay? Come here. Ito talaga niya humarap mo sa ano. Okay, bye-bye. Ito lang malaki. Okay. Oh, kawawa. Hindi ko na ano. Okay. So here, ayan na siya. So pwede pa natin i-simplify ito. That is equal to 3 over 4 times x minus 3 raised to 1/2. Then ito, magiging 3 times 2 raised to 1/2. Angat. Okay? So, ayan na siya. Or, pwede nating ilagay na 3 over 4, then 2 over 3, x minus 3, then square root. Okay, so ayan yung sagot. Or ito yung sagot. Ayan. Okay, So that is the answer for the parametric function. Okay, so i-pause ko muna.
Recording stopped.
Then, punta tayo sa example number 6. Okay. So, burahin ko na ito yung yung number 4. Okay, at this point, guys, I will have to write number 6. Okay, for number 6, we have x equals t squared over 2 plus t to the 4th. The other one, y equals t cubed all over 2 plus t to the 4th. Yan. So let's start solving now number 6.
Recording
Okay,
in progress.
So our example for number 6, x equals t squared over 2 plus t to the 4th. And the other one, y equals t cubed divided by 2 plus t to the 4th. So, para masolve natin, again, this is a parametric equation. Dahil may x tayo, may t. And then y, mayroon tayong t. Unlike doon sa chain rule na y, then u, x. Okay? So, dito makikita mo pareho yung variable with respect to t, and then variable doon sa x, variable with respect to t. So, y naman with respect to t. Okay? Solution natin. So, i-derivative na natin siya. So, apply natin yung quotient rule kasi ano siya? Quotient. So, we have dx with respect to t. Derivative natin yung x with respect to t. So, ano ang u natin? V muna. That is 2 plus t to the 4th. Multiplied by the derivative of t squared, that is equal to t. Minus t squared. Derivative ng v, that is equal to 4t cubed. All over v squared, 2 plus t to the 4th squared. So, simplify natin. This is now equal to 4t, then plus 2t to the 5th. Okay. Then minus 4t to the 5th. Ayan. Okay. All over 2 plus t to the 4th squared. So therefore, dx over dt equals, bali, lalabas ay 4t minus 2t to the 5th divided by 2 plus t to the 4th square. So, yun yung dx niya. How about yung y with respect to t? So, dy over dt. Again, quotient rule pa rin. So, we have 2 plus t to the 4th. Derivative ng t cubed, 3t squared, minus t cubed. Okay? Derivative ng v, that is equal to 4t cubed. Yan. Okay? So, all over v squared, 2 plus t to the 4th squared. Simplify natin. This is now equal to dy over dt equals 6t squared. 2 times 3t squared plus 3t to the 6. Okay? Minus 4t to the 6. Divided by 2 plus t to the 4th square. That is equal to 6t squared minus t is to the 6 divided by 2 plus t to the 4th square. So, ito yung value niya. Okay. So, sundan na natin ngayon yung formula. Okay. Itong formula na to. So, ilalagay natin ito pala. Ito. dy over dx is equal to dy over dt. So, dy over dt, itong sagot. 6t squared minus t to the 6 all over 2 plus t to the 4th square divided by dx over dt. Ang dx over dt natin na yun, 4t minus 2t to the 5th divided by 2 plus t to the 4th square. So as you can see, ito yung pinakamahaba natin. So makikita natin ngayon, ito, ito. So makakancel natin ito at saka ito. So ang lalabas na ay ganito na. Equal 6t squared minus t to the 6 all over 4t minus 2t to the 5th. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano-ano factor noon. Pwede natin may factor. So, dy over dx. Common factor nito ay t squared. T squared, then we have 6 minus t to the 4th. Okay. Then, okay. So, another one here, that is equal to, ang common factor nito ay 2t multiplied by 2 minus t to the 4th. Yan. Okay? Pwede natin makancel ito. Ayan. So, magiging ano na lang. This one equals t multiplied by 6 minus t to the 4th all over 2 times 2 minus t to the 4th. Okay. So, ayun na yung answer natin. Anyway, hindi na tayo mag-ano ng t to the 4th square. So, ito na lang ang answer natin. Hindi na natin in terms of x. Okay? Okay, so that would be our answer. Okay, please copy. Okay, so I will have to stop the recording. Then, balik tayo ulit doon. So,
Recording
post ko lang
stopped.
recording tayo sa susunod. Okay. So, i-ano ko lang i-share ng screen. Then, dito na tayo sa sunod na question. Okay, sa next question natin ay ito. Number 2. Find the equation of the tangent to x equals square root of t and y equals t minus 1 over t. Okay, 1 over t. Meron pa ba? Yun, wala na. Ayan. Find the equation of the tangent. Tangent daw, x equals t, square root of t, and y is equal to 1 over, y equals t minus 1 over square root of t. So, palitan muna natin yung given equation natin. Tingnan ko kung tama yung naano ko na screenshot. Okay, here is the screenshot. May kulang pa to. At t equals 4. Yon. At t equals 4. So, sagutan muna natin. Okay, sulat ko lang yung problem. So, burahin ko muna to. Sample number 2 na tayo. Equation ng tangent ang hinahanap. Pero pwede rin mag-solve yan equation of the normal, length of the tangent, kasi yung is pabain lang. Kasi parametric equation yan. Okay. So this time, ano natin, isulat muna natin ito. Example number 2. Find the equation of the tangent. Okay. So x equals square root of t and y equals t minus 1 over square root of t at t equals 4. Yan. Okay. So, kukunin muna natin ang coordinate. So, sandali, ano ko na siya. Start
Recording in progress.
Okay. So, this time, balik tayo doon. Stop ko itong ano. So, this time, guys, we have to read the problem. Okay, the problem is, find the equation of the tangent to x equals square root of t and y equals t minus 1 over square root of t at t equals 4. So, ang gagawin natin muna ngayon, kukunin natin ang point ng x at saka y by substituting t. So, solution natin, ito yung point ng tangent c. Okay. When t equals 4, so x equals square root of 4, the answer is 2. Okay. So, and then y equals 4 minus 1 over 4 square root. So that is equal to 4 minus 1 half. So that is equal to 8 minus 1 over 2. So the answer is equal to 7 over 2. So yung value ng y. So therefore, ang point nila, therefore, P has a coordinate of 2 and 7 over 2. So yun yung coordinate nila. So ngayon, ang gagawin muna natin, isa-solve natin sa parametric function, then saka natin kukunin yung equation ng slope. Okay, rather yung slope. So therefore, we have number 1, dx dx over dt equals square root of t. Ilagay muna natin ito. Sulat natin ito. X equals t raised to 1/2. And y equals t minus, itataas natin square root, t raised to negative 1/2. Ayan. Okay. So, sulat natin dito, dx over dt is equal to 1/2 times t raised to negative 1/2. Yun yung derivative niya. Or that is equal to 1 over 2 t raised to 1/2. Okay? Then dy over dt equals 1. Derivative of t is 1. Then plus na to. Plus 1/2. Then t minus 1 magiging minus 3 over 2. Or that is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 t raised to 3/2. Yan. Okay? So, meron na tayong value. So, kukunin natin ngayon ang equation. Isa-substitute lang natin. So, dy over dx equals dy over dt, then dx over dt. That is equal to dy over dt equals 1 plus 1 over 2 t raised to 3/2. Then divided by dx over dt, 1 over 2 t raised to 1/2. Okay, simplify muna natin itong nasa taas. Okay, 1 times 2 magiging 2t raised to 3/2 plus 1 over 2t raised to 3/2. Okay, divided by 1 over 2t raised to 1/2. Okay, simplify ulit natin. This is now equal to bali, ito magmo-multiply sa magiging 2t raised to 3/2 plus 1 multiplied now by 2t raised to 1/2 all over ito ngayon 2t raised to 3/2. Yan. So, kapag multiply natin ito, you will notice na mas mataas ito kaysa doon. So, pwede natin ibaba. So, this one equals 2t raised to 3/2 plus 1. Then, we have 2t raised to 3/2 multiplied by 2t. Pwede na lang yung ano natin, yung 2 iangat. Okay, ito yung 2 iiwan natin kasi ano naman ito lang yung may power, so i-multiply natin ng t. Ayun, ito naka-multiply ng 2. Then ito yung multiplied natin ng t raised to negative 1/2. Pinalitan natin dito natin negative. So therefore, ito ngayon, itong 2 na to magka-cancel doon sa 2 sa taas. Yan. So, ang natira ay magiging ganito na. 2t raised to 3/2 plus 1 divided by, ito ngayon, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Divided by 2, so magiging t na lang siya. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, ang equation natin ay magiging ganito. 2t raised to 3 halves. Itong t na to, pwede natin i-multiply pataas, magiging t raised to negative 3 over 3. Ano? Awang 3 over 3, negative 2 over 2. Yan. Tapos then plus 1, yon. Times over t, rather. Pwede natin over t. Yan. Ito, inangat lang natin, dinivide natin doon, so pwedeng ganyan. So therefore, this is now equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So t raised to 1 half na lang. Okay, 1 half plus 1 over t. So this is now the answer natin. Okay, yan yung answer natin. 2 raised to 1 half plus 1 over t. So, kukunin na natin ngayon yung slope niya. So, to find the slope, gagamit tayo ngayon ng value. Okay, so this time, ang value niya, lagay natin dy over dx is equal to 2t raised to 1 half plus 1 over t. T equals 4. Nakalagay 4. So, pwede na natin slope now of the tangent line. Tangent line ito. Equals 2 times 4 raised to 1 half plus 1 over 4. Okay? So, magiging 2 times 2, 4 plus 1 over 4. So, 17 over 4 ang slope niya. Yan. So, kukunin natin ang equation of the tangent line. Equation of the tangent line that is equal to the slope of the tangent line using point slope form y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1. Where at point mayroon tayo 2 and 7 over 2. Yan. So yung x natin dito, x sub 1 natin is 2. Ang y sub 1 natin is 7 over 2. Yan. So, substitute na natin. Ano yung value natin? 17 over 4 equals y minus y sub 1, 7 over 2 divided by x minus x sub 1 is 2. Cross multiply natin. 17 times x minus 2 equals 4 times y minus 7 over 2. So, 17x minus 34 equals 4y minus 14. Okay, solve natin. It's now 4y equals 17x minus 34 plus 14. 4y equals 17x minus 20. Then y equals 17 over 4x minus 5. So this is the equation of the tangent. Tangent line. Okay, so Again, it solved now the problem here. Yun ang ano. So kung pwede pa nating dagdagan, find the equation of the normal line. So usually, ang gagawin lang natin, reciprocal natin ng ano, ng negative reciprocal ng equation ng slope of the tangent line is equal to the slope of the normal line. So magiging negative 4/17. Okay? So, ganun pa rin, itong equation pa rin gagamitin natin. Yan yung point slope form. So, makukuha natin ang equation of normal line. The same goes through with hanapin natin ng x-intercept. Then, length of the tangent line and the normal line, then subtangent. So, anyway, nakuha na natin dyan. Okay, may tanong pa? So, I have to pause the recording now. Okay, so, ayan. So, i-pause ko muna ang recording.
Recording
Okay.
stopped.
So, balik tayo. Okay. So, hello guys. Hello. Hello, naririnig ba ako? Hello. Okay. So, that will end our discussion for today. Okay? So, screenshot ko lang kayo. Okay? So, bali ang umattend ay 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Saan yung isa? Ayun. So, this one. Yan. Okay, sige. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then, balik tayo sa isa. So,